Hello everyone, greetings of the day. Today we learn about the Google Colab. So what is Google Colab? So in simple language I explain you. Google Colab is an online platform for Python programming that provide a web-based environment for writing, executing and sharing the Python code. So we use as a notebook format. It's allow us to create interactive documents and code, text and visualization. With the help of Colab, it's offer us free access to GPU. GPU means a graphic processing unit. With the help of Google Colab, it supports popular Python libraries and enable real-time collaboration. It's mostly and widely used in data analyzing like machine learning and artificial intelligence. So move to the next slide. Why Python? So we have multiple reason to learn Python. So you can see in this slide there are many reason like easy to use, sport library, machine learning, web development and many more. So we can say that Python is easy and versatile language used in web development, data science, artificial intelligence and automatic and many more. So Python has a simple and readable syntax making it's for beginner friendly, and Python skills are in high demands in various industries in today generation and increasing job opportunity. So we can say in today generation many companies and platforms use that Python. Why Python application? So as you can see, Python is a high demand in today's generation. It has many applications based on Python where it is used the most, such as in education area for data access, in web and internet used to network programming, for run the business. It's help also for making apps used to create games and desktop GUI application. So it is used in software development and is also used in scientific and numerical field. So with the help of Python we can make application in many ways. So move to the next slide. Why Google Colab? So we use Google Colab because a free processing unit and easy to access Google Drive, and make it easy to save, share and access notebook. And I also like to use Google Colab because we can access it on the Android phone also and anywhere, and it is easy to do it, and possible to work in Google Colab uh, in Jupyter file and Android. All those who do not have laptop can also do this with the help of phone. So it is easy to practice in with the help of use who have not laptop. So I think this is its plus point, and you need a tablet or smartphone that can run Android and an account with Google Document and Google Colab. Why Google Colab? So why we use Google Colab? It's easy to use, and we don't need to install any particular software to use that. So we can use as remotely and anywhere. It is an open source, so many have plus points of that. It's have many advantage points you can check in brief. So if you want to do any course related to coding through IBM skill build, then kindly mention it in the comment box. I will explain and help you about it in detail, so in the next video, so that you will be able to do it and get the certification with great organization like IBM and skill build. So thank you so much.